Welcome to the Fliik demo. Now in this demo I'm going to explain what Fliik is, what it does, and show you how it works. Now in a nutshell, Fliik is a cloud-based software which will allow you to capitalize on a formula which has been around for as long as people have been making money online. Now the system capitalizes on the massive online shopping boom, and it does this through product comparison. Now product comparisons provide the information that consumers need, and it's an ethical and evergreen way of making money online. Now, as I've said, this system has been around for a long time. Fliik automates the process, makes the process really straightforward, really easy, especially if you're just getting started online. Now, just to prove a point, I want to show you YouTube and Google because Fliik uses both. Now you can see here a ton of product comparison videos. You can go and check these yourself. You know, if you find a product, or if you're interested in a product, say iPhone for example, you put iPhone, say 11, 12, whatever, these, and then see what comes up. There's a ton of videos for pretty much anything you can dream up. You know, it could be an iPhone, it could be a pair of shoes, it could be a coffee machine, it could be a light bulb. It doesn't really matter. There are comparison videos for pretty much everything. And the point here is you don't have to actually sell anything. You just provide those comparisons. People are already looking for those products. They've already got their credit card in hand. All you need to do is provide the information. So you provide the information as a product comparison video, and then you link through to your Fliik hub page. Now on the Fliik hub page, you'll have the products, your video will be added there, and everything is embedded with your affiliate link. Or you can link directly to the products. It's entirely up to you, but you get the page anyway. Now let me show you how this works. So once you log into Fliik, you'll see a screen just like the one you see in front of you now. Now the first step is to click Create a Campaign. Then enter a name for the campaign and click Create, and choose from Compare Products or ClickBank Products. Now we need to find what customers are actually looking for. So let's drop in a phrase, say iPhone for example, and click search. Now the first thing you'll see is the competition analysis for the phrase that you've added. Now this is a broad phrase and we know it's going to be very high, but we're not really too bothered about that because we're going to be picking specific products. Fliik integrates with Amazon and eBay, so you can compare products, physical products from both of those platforms. Everything is pulled via API, so there's very little to do. Simply select the products that you're interested in comparing, add in the search term. This is a term that will be used in YouTube, and then click proceed to video. Now what will happen now in the background is Fliik will collect all of the details directly from the platform. So that could be eBay, Amazon, or it could be both, it doesn't matter. Fliik will collect all of the details and it will build your video slides for you. And if you hate appearing on camera or any of that video editing stuff, then Fliik is perfect. So again, Fliik does most of the stuff for you. It'll extract all of the details from the products that you've chosen via API from the platforms, i.e. Amazon and eBay, and it will create your slides and ultimately your video. So once Fliik completes your video, it will pop up in your dash. You can see it here. So what we're going to do is click on the share icon. Now this is the next step. It means uploading your video. Uploading your video to YouTube, Vimeo, especially YouTube, is vitally important for this system to work, because with the right title, these comparison videos rank almost instantaneously. It doesn't matter if you don't have a huge following or if you're just starting off with a new YouTube account, for example. The fact is, these comparison videos rank really quickly, and they can often stick around for a long time. So make sure you upload to YouTube, and then once you do that, the software will pull in the tags, descriptions, everything you need in order to rank, and it will auto create your hub page for you. Now just to recap, Fliik creates comparison videos. These are product comparison videos. You can compare digital products using ClickBank, or you can compare physical tangible products, which can be absolutely anything, using Amazon and eBay. Now the reason Fliik and the process it follows works so well is because you're not actually selling anything. What you're doing is providing genuine information that people who are already set on buying that item will appreciate. They'll see the comparison video, They'll be able to weigh up the features of both products in one place without opening lots of other tabs, and they're going to be far more inclined to make a purchase. And you'll profit from whichever choice the consumer makes.
Link is given in description below. Grab this product now, before its price increases. It's only for $17 with lifetime access. Link in description.